Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. If you are a new subscriber, welcome along. It's lovely to have your company. I'm going to do my weekly cash stuffing of savings challenges, and this week it's the 100 envelopes big roll the dice, small roll the dice, mini green challenge, and roll and strike. If I have any rollovers, it will go towards perhaps my Save 2024 in 2024 or my sinking funds. I didn't get a chance to do my sinking funds in the week, so I've got to catch up earlier on this week. I'm going to get on with this, and it's all dice today, so we're just using all the dice today, and I think I'm going to start with the wooden ones. And before I open this box, let me count up £140, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 105, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Dropping the money everywhere today. Right, let's get on with this now. I roll the dice. I've got 100 envelopes in here, and the lowest is £5, I think, and the highest is £20 on the envelopes. Whatever I roll on the dice, what comes up, I will count the envelopes and I will stuff what is marked on the envelopes. So let's go. That's 3. I will count up 3 envelopes. That's 1, 2, 3. And that's £20. It's been going pretty well with the £20. And shall I do another one? Let me do another one. That's 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's £10. That's great. I think I've got 5s in here as well. Let's just stuff those and get them at the back. So they go where that divider is. They go behind the divider. So this is what I've stuffed so far. I can't quite remember when I started this last year. I'm going to check the date just for my reference anyway, because I'm curious as to know when I first started it. So I will check that. So that's that for the 100 envelopes. And now I have got the big roll the dice, and I will do blues for that. Let's take out 2 blues. Alright, that's 6 and a 1, that's 7. 6 and a 1, that's 7. And 3 and 2 is 5, that's 12. So we'll do a 3 and a 2. See if we've got any 2s. There's one up here. Right, so that's £12, and I will put 15 in. It was quite a busy week for me this week. How was your week? Mine was pretty busy. I'm going to use 2 reds. Okay, so we've got 5 and 1. That is 6, 5 and 1, 6, oh, 3 and 3, that's 6, that's 2 3s, that's 5 and 1, that's 6, that's 12 in total. So we'll do 15 again. Do 15. Oh, another 15. Not bad. And then let's see, we've got the mini green challenge. I will just put it here. Let's have a look for the mini green challenge, and I will use green. Hope your week has been good. That's 4 and 3, that's 7, so that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that's £10. And let's do another one. That's 7, so that's 6 and 1 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, another 10, so that's £20 going into the mini green savings. Not bad, not bad. Go into there, and I am going to do the roll and strike. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do a green and a red for this. So we've got a 2 and, oh, I'm only supposed to use 1 dice. I'll do a 6. I'm not cheating, am I? No. I'll mark a 6 off. Mark a 6. And let's play again. That's me done. Whoa. So that's 9, 10, 12, 15. So that's 15. Oh, it's all about the 15s today. All about the 15s today. Wow. That's that. Rolling strike. Really enjoy doing my savings challenges, and that is that for this week. What I'm going to do, I'll count this, so that's 25, 35, 45, 45, and this is going towards my rollover envelope, and I will get that sorted out. Where's my clip that I usually have for these? Usually have a clip here for those. And that's me done for another week. £45 did I say for my rollover, and I most probably put it towards my 2024 savings challenge. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back very, very soon. Bye for now.